What up, it's your boy again, Young Shakes. I'm back with another unboxing. Today we got ah, God. It's your boy Young Shakes, aka The Prodigal. I'm back with another unboxing. Today we got the Jordan 5 alternate grapes. And for those of you who don't know the history behind alternate grapes, look it up. Go to Jordan23.com or Jordan.com. There's a lot of history about a lot of these shoes. But we got the classic Jordan 5 box with a little cement or elephant print, as some of y'all call it. You feel me? Classic Jordan box. Nike Air logo. And as you can see, the Jordan Air Jordan 5. You see the description right there. Size 12, this is a personal pair. I was able to score a hit at Hibbett's, and what I like to do with all my kicks, if you don't know me, I got kicks from 2004, 2002. I always keep my receipts. Alright. The reason why I do this is I'm not a big fan of you know, the resale of the StockX or the Goats, or you know, even your local stores that resell or what they call them, consignment shops. You know, some of them I do communicate with, but for the most part, I hardly do buy from them just because I'm always worried about authenticity. But as you can see, the receipts right there, we were able to score a pair. Now the color code reads 500 is grape, ice, new emerald black. All right, for these alternate grapes, which is a dope shoe. As you can see, once again in the box, we got our number in the box right there. Also that little sticker that usually comes in as well. All right, now this is it a double up, is it a you know, a single cop, what is it? I think these are a double up. I think these are a dope double up. I don't think these will resurface again. I think this is just like a one-time situation. And those of you who got big feet, let me know, do your box always come crushed, or your sneaker come crushed in the box because yours is on the bottom of the rest of the piles and stuff like that? But these are a clean shoe. The purple is dope as heck. I like the purple. You know, that emerald, I guess is what they call it, is dope as heck. Now, I haven't took these out of the box, so you've seen them for the first time like I'm seeing them for the first time. So, that Jordan logo right there. It's got the emerald color as well. You know, your normal Jordan 5. I don't know what you want to consider this or what you would call this. I don't know what you want to call it. But the little thing that usually come on jackets. The bottom's a clean, clear bottom. Once again with the, looks like a navy blue Jumpman logo on the bottom of the sole. All right, on the top part of the sole, I should say. All right, in the middle part, you got that black Jordan. All right, icy bottoms, of course. For the cage, and the cage is like it looks like it's black. I would say it's black. It's a black cage overall. You know, we got the Jordan 5 bubble, as usually. Some of them call them shark teeth, the emerald shark teeth. This is a dope shoe. I like this shoe a lot. It's just something different. I'm not a big fan of a purple shoe, but this is a clean shoe. It's definitely a clean shoe. Definitely you know, a Utah Jazz jersey, a Charlotte Hornets jersey, a Colorado Rockies jersey if you're a baseball fan. You know, I told my boy he could probably pull this off with his Laker jersey, depending on how you rock it. It's gonna take, you know, a very stylish person to rock these, but this is a dope shoe. It's probably one of the better 5s that are dropping this year. I know we did have the Fire Red 5s, which I was able to cop a pair. I still haven't done an unboxing video for that yet, but that's probably in one of these boxes, which we're gonna get to. We're gonna do a lot of unboxing. I'll probably do this on a weekly or monthly basis. We're gonna take a random box, open it. Some of these boxes are from 2013, 2011. I got some of these boxes this year, so we don't know what exactly is in these boxes. We know where they came from. You know, as you can see, this is a sneaker hit right here. We got some Foot Locker. We got Champs. We got all types of different deliveries. So, oh, DTLR is up in there too as well. I was able to cop a pair of J's off of DTLR. So shout outs to them. Now, back to the alternate grapes. The back side, the rear, the rump. We get the black Jordan logo. Of course, a nice Jordan logo right there. Inside the tongue, of course, you know, as all Jordan 5s comes, we've got that Air Jordan upside down. All right, the Air Jordan is upside down, so if you show it to somebody else, it actually reads Air Jordan correctly. All right. Inside the shoe itself, as you can see, I got my size 12. Got another Jumpman logo right there as well. All right, man, double up worthy. I would say yes. I feel if these had that Emerald 23, the same color this is, I believe this is considered the Emerald color. Yep, or the Emerald color. 23 would be dope right here. A 23 would be dope right here. I think this would definitely, you know, accentuate that, or, you know, bring out that emerald more. I know it's on the tongue. I know it's on the little adjustable knob. I know it's on the shark teeth. I know it's right here. And it's got a little cement. It's got a little speckles in there. So it's like a cement emerald. All right. Now, once again, like I said, I like to keep my receipts from Hibbett's. I was able to score these yesterday before everybody else was. They did get pushed back to the 8th. And a lot of people from Champs and Foot Locker got a chance to pick them up on the 8th all the way through the 9th, I believe. I'm not sure. They didn't give me an update, but supposedly I spoke to some managers at Champs and Foot Locker. They said you're able to pick them up all the way to the 9th. You know, as other establishments as well, giving people a couple of days to pick these up due to the last second pushback. I mean, I got an alert at maybe like 9:30, 10 o'clock. To tell you the truth, I lost on Champs, but I still got an alert for them saying I could pick up my reservation. I'm like, word, I hit. By the time I clicked on it, still had that L. So, you know, you got that alert even if you didn't win a pair. So it had me gassed that I thought I won a pair. Now, what I want to do, which I haven't got a chance to review these as well, another receipt, were the top 3 5s. Now, I was going to shoot a separate video for this, which I probably still will, just to have extra footage, something else, you know, in your stash on YouTube. These do got the red 23. I thought this was a dope shoe. I thought this was a slept on shoe. It didn't do as well as I thought it would, and there was a lot of restocks, but I love the suede on this. The suede is definitely dope. The purple tongue is different. I felt like they could have done better with a top 3 5. They could have named it something else. But I felt like an alternate, everybody's looking for that alternate color shoe. Like they did the top 3 ones, or alternate, you know, something alternate in the box or something. As you can see, this one has the Nike Air inside. It doesn't have the Jumpman logo like the Grapes do. The Grapes does have the Jumpman logo inside in there. I haven't loosened this up yet, so it's probably going to be hard to see. But as you can see, they do have the Jumpman logo in there. This does have the Nike Air. Unlike other 5s, the top 3 5s does not have the reverse Air Jordan logo. It actually has the colors that are incorporated. Oh, matter of fact, it has the colorways of the Jordan 5s that the top 3 represent, which are the Fire Red 5s, the Metallic 5s, and also the Grape 5s. So obviously you can see where the Grape 5s come into play. All right, and we do have that Emerald Jordan logo on the bottom. I thought the Emerald Jordan logo would actually look dope on the bottom of this instead of that navy blue bottom. What you think? All right, or is it supposed to be purple? Maybe it's a purple. I think it's a grape. It's actually a grape. Now I'm looking at it, it's actually a grape Jumpman logo. It's not a navy blue. I think it might be a grape Jumpman logo. But I thought that emerald would probably be dope on there. Yeah, 3 hours true. But as you can see, it's got a different midsole right here is red. All right, and we still have the icy bottoms, the shark teeth with the little black speckles, the cement speckles, and the red bottoms from, of course, the Fire Reds. All right, and this is a dope shoe. And unlike the Grapes, we don't got a Jumpman logo on the back. We've got a Nike Air logo. All right, so these shoes are both dope shoes. I'll be honest with you, this is probably my 5th pair of 5s. I believe I have the silver tongue. I have something else, I don't know what it is. I got the Fire Reds, I got the Grapes, I got the top 3s, and I gotta check my stats, because to be honest, sometimes I'll be surprised that I got sneakers that I have. I mean, like I believe the Bread 13s, I totally forgot I had them, and when I looked at them, I already worn them. So I'm like, damn, and I wore them, and I didn't remember about them. But these are dope as heck. As you can see, the cage is a different color. We have that clear cage over here, more for darker gray, or probably black cage. I think it's the mesh in the back makes it look black. But these are both definite cops. I believe, my personal belief is that the top threes will skyrocket in the future. The top 3 fives will skyrocket in the future, and I believe these will do as well. You know, I don't think it's going to take long for this shoe to shoot up. I say about a month or two, these joints will shoot up, especially when the NBA starts back. I think a lot of stuff will be more valued just because the players will be wearing it. A lot of people will want it. They're going to look at PJ Tucker's. They're going to look at the Chris Paul usually wears his own shoes, but he still wears Jordan. Chris Paul's of the world. You're going to look at maybe you know, shout out Jason Tatum, you know, all part of basically Jordan brand. All part of Jordan brand. All of those players are part of Jordan brand. Stuff for PJ. I don't think PJ is part of Jordan brand, but Chris Paul and Jason Tatum. But Team Jordan now, you know, who's actually responsible for the retros, Team Jordan, you know, dropping the Ray Allen PEs and stuff. He's no longer in NBA, but I think these will actually shoot up in price. I'm not a reseller. I don't sell my shoes. I just collect. I'm just a collector. I've always been a collector of something since I was a kid, whether it be, you know, quarters with different years and different states on it to, you know, anything. I used to just collect. So I'm a shoe collector. So don't hit me up. Don't hop in my DMs. Don't hop in my comments. Ask me how much do you want to purchase. I don't sell shoes. I just collect them and do reviews on them, of course. But as you can see, once again, that little, now I gotta find out what the proper name for this is. We're gonna find out today. Somebody find out the name of this. Leave it in the comment below. And if you didn't already, like this video, share this video with your boys, feel me? Be like, yo, that fat dude is shooting videos on YouTube now talking about sneakers. Share this video with your boys, with your peoples, your girl, whoever. People that like sneakers. Subscribe. Hit that subscribe button, man. Don't cost you nothing to hit the subscribe button. I ain't charging you nothing. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button. Leave your comments. What is your favorite Jordan 5 of all time? I would have to probably go with, I'm a black and red type of colorway. I love brand colorways. The Fire Red 5s are dope. I think they're very dope. They look so classy. They look so clean. The 23 on the side. Did this year come out with 23 on the side? Somebody let me know. I don't know where my Fire Reds are. I'll be honest with you. They're probably in the garage somewhere. I keep shoes everywhere in my house. I have shoes upstairs in the master bedroom. I got shoes downstairs in the basement. I got shoes right here where I'm shooting at. And I got shoes in the garage. And sometimes I got shoes in the back of the car. All right, so I don't know where stuff is at. You know, sometimes I cop for my friends. Sometimes I might cop a shoe for my cousin. My cousin might hit me like, hey, get me a shoe. You know what I mean? But then they never call me where to ship it to or the address, but that's a different story. But anyway, top 3 5s, great 5s. Which one's your favorite? All right. We also got the Fire Red 5s. Don't forget that also dropped this year. So there's 3 pair of 5s that dropped this year already. Or we want to see more Jordan 5s. Haven't seen anything on the calendar, but you never know. You never know what Jordan has in store for shock drops. You never know what Soulfly might release. You never know what Union might release. You never know what, you know, none of these people that collab with Jordan might release. You know, Drake might drop a you know, Jordan 5 OVO. You never know. So you never know what to expect in regards to that. But also, what I also like about this tongue is like, it's not, I don't know what this material is. It's a pretty dope material. It just feels it's just totally different. It's not like this material. It's like a tough material. It's a little bit tougher. So I like these shoes a lot. I think they're dope as heck. I had to get me a pair. You know, shout out to Hibbits. I was able to score a pair at them. I don't really win too much raffle at Hibbits, but able to get a pair at Hibbits early because everything got pushed back. But those of you that are watching this video, probably be uploaded today, sometime later, probably this evening or tonight. But remember, you know, Foot Locker, Champs, they still got them. Foot Action still got them because they're just allowing people to pick up pairs today. They're probably going to have them allowed to pick up all the way to Thursday night. So Friday, hit up your malls, hit up the stores, hit up online. There'll probably be a restock, able to score a pair of these Jordan 5 alternate grapes. All right, so, and for those of you who don't know why they call them alternate grapes, do your research, do your history. I know a lot of people just started collecting sneakers during this time of COVID this year when the market went up. Everybody seen how, you know, lucrative it could be. do your research, know your history. You know, the original grape Jordan 5s are dope as heck. It's one of those that if they do come back out, there will be a serious, very, very high demand for them. All right, so these are the alternate grapes. Once again, it's your boy, Shakes, aka Mr. Prodigal himself, or the Prodigal Son, or aka the Prodigal Kicks. So let me know what you guys think about these alternate grapes. Leave your comments below. All right, just call me Mr. AKA. I got some AKAs. All right, let me know what you think about the Fire Red. Let me know what you think about not Fire Red. These are the top threes. My fault. Let me know what you think about the top 3 5s. I probably will shoot another personal video with the top 3 5s with the Fire Red included whenever I can find it, whatever box it is. I think it's probably still in the shipment box, to be honest with you. So we might get to that during a unboxing of a mystery box. So that's what we're gonna do. Look forward to this page. There's gonna be a lot of fun stuff on this page. Unboxing of mystery boxes. We're gonna have some free giveaways of some sneakers, free giveaways of some cleaning kits. We have some giveaways. We on the quest for, I was trying to set the margin. I know where I was saying 1,000, then I said 1,500. Then I was like, nah, let's not sell myself short. 2,500 by Christmas. All right, because your boy will have those 25th anniversary Jordan 11s. As you can see, a lot of these boxes are Jordan 11s. I love 11s. Those are my favorite number. Jordan 3s are climbing in the ranking, but Jordan 11s is still my favorite shoe. So I definitely will have a pair of those 25th anniversary Jordan 11s for you. All right, hopefully I have a review for you for those Jordan 11 PE lows, or IE lows. I take that back. Jordan 11 IE lows. Looking forward to have a review for you. I'm trying to get my hands on them. I lost the one raffle already. I believe I do have a few raffles in there left. Trying to get the pair of those Air Jordan 1s. I don't know what they consider them. The one with the gray and the red. I gotta find out a real name for them. Trying to get a pair of those to do a review as well. So I lost my raffle, but like I said, we got other raffles that we entered. Hopefully we'll find out if we hit or not. But once again, it's your boy Shakes, aka the Prodigal Son, Prodigal Kicks. Let me know what you guys think. Peace, love, and stay safe.
Yeah. Fucking body. Yeah. Car and shit. Yeah. Tell the driver roll up the partition, man. I'm the car on this chicken, man. Yeah. There's a body in the car.